Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to check any remote control that you have. For example, for your DVD player, for your satellite dish, for your cable box, whatever remote control you have, to check to see if the remote control is still good. Make sure you install the battery to see if the battery is dead or the infrared is bad. See the infrared here, the glowing shine crystal like a LED light. You have to have a camcorder to use it to check. Make sure you have a camcorder point to the remote control. For example, here's one of them for my cable box player. Press any button, any one of them, see? Then you point to the camcorder and you press a button. You see the light glowing? You see like little light there? Here you go. Here's another one for my car DVD player. Yeah, you see the light glowing right there? Blinking like a purple light. Let me release it. Press again. That's how you check it. That's all for today. Thank you.